With the Autodesk validation tool, users are able to automatically check Revit models based on a set of BIM requirements and generate a compliance report. The results of this report are able to be exported to a structured Excel file with all the information related to the checks and the results contained in it. The data in this Excel file can be used in data visualization tools such as Power BI, making it easier for the whole team to review and focus on aspects of the report that is important to them. Autodesk has created a Power BI template to help users begin using this powerful functionality and better understand it. This report template can be found on the BIM Interoperability Tools website, interoperability.autodesk.com, on the Model Checker page. Simply download and extract the contents of the zip file to access it. This Power BI report works only with a report run from one of the Revit Best Practices check sets available in the public library of the application. Once you run the check set successfully, simply save the Excel file to a known location. Then open the Best Practice Results.pbit Power BI template file. You will be prompted to put in the path and name of your Excel file. Be sure to include the file extension in that field. Power BI will access the Excel file and update the report based on the data. Once this is done, be sure to save the Power BI report. This report is now tied to the Excel data and could be saved in a project folder or named in relation to the specific Revit model the check was run on. You will still have the original template available to use again for other projects. Throughout the life of the project, you may continue to run checks on the same model using the Best Practices check set. To update the saved report, simply replace your current Excel file with an updated one matching the original name. Then, when you open your saved report in Power BI, click Refresh, and Power BI will load the new Excel data and update the values in the report.